Hello everyone, my name is Tiago Sousa. I'm a concept artist since 2017. I started my career 10 years ago doing illustrations for books and magazines, but I officially became a concept artist in a VFX studio in Brazil. Then I gradually migrated to concept art for games, and now I'm working at Volta Studios in Quebec City, Canada. In this workshop, I would like to show some of my techniques for world building and how to create a strong base to keep exploring and expanding the story, resulting in concept art pieces, illustrations, keyframes. Because having full projects in your portfolio is very important. So with this workflow, you'll be able to showcase your creative process, your way of thinking through ideas, sketches, explorations, and all of that. Well, I hope you like it. See ya!